It's moving day, Willa.
What?
Yeah, it's a truck. A big, big truck.
We are standing in the front of our house with our keys. We're gonna do a house tour and show you what our German home looks like inside. Right when you open up the door, it's a split level. So this is a 3-story home. This is what it looks like right when you walk in the main door. We're gonna go downstairs.
So when we first got into the house, it was extremely echoey. So we're doing this now at our place where it's less echoey. Hopefully you can hear us a little bit better. When you first go in the house, you go down the stairs, we're coming to our first room, and that's gonna be our workout room. We've never had a place for ourselves to really work out, and especially being in this place that we are now, it's been really hard just doing it in the living room. So we're extremely excited for the open space that we have down here. Great lighting, even though it's the basement, and the owners just put in new floors. So also a plus.
It is huge, you guys. The rooms, actually all the rooms in the house are big. As you can see, the other room downstairs is our guest bedroom, and that one we're really excited about because it gives our guests a private area to kind of have. Being in the basement, there's a bathroom there as well, and it's just spacey, it's roomy, there's a lot of stuff down there. We also have a storage place downstairs, and we're really excited to have more space to put our stuff, especially where German homes don't have closets. We're gonna utilize these small, not really small actually, to put things that we possibly would put in the closet.
Next we head upstairs to the main floor, and when we first get up, there are 2 doors. You go left into the kitchen, or you go right towards the bathroom and the office. This is gonna be a nice designated space for me to work, and for Marissa to work, and for us to probably do a lot of editing on our videos. We've always just done it on our couch and kitchen table. It'll be nice to have an area where we can go have some peace and quiet. Right next to that, we have a bathroom. This shower is actually the best shower head between all of the bathrooms. Kind of tempted to maybe move it to the top floor where we'll be using that, but for now, it'll stay there. And then we make our way into the living room.
In the living room, we are really excited because the living room, dining room, and kitchen are all connected right there, which we've heard is uncommon in German homes. We have a lot of space here on this main floor, and we have incredible views already. If you look outside the office room and the living room, you'll see an incredible view over a beautiful field, so we're really excited about that. I've convinced Tanner to purchase a new couch, so we're excited to fill it up with the furniture and have a door to walk straight outside. We're really excited about that, to make our outdoor living area one where we'll spend a lot of time in, and Willa will really enjoy that. The kitchen is definitely one of our favorite parts about the house. It's the biggest kitchen we saw when we were doing our house hunting, and it's got a lot of storage space. Even more than we're used to back in the States, honestly, with the house that we had. We're for sure gonna fill those up, given the fact that we don't have a pantry in this house. Again, has a lot of windows on this main floor, a lot of natural light, open space, and that is exactly what we want.
So we go up the 3rd and final flight of stairs in our house, and it opens up into a main hallway where all the rooms and the bathroom connect. And to the right, there's a small room, great lighting, and you loop yourself around and we get to the bathroom. This is very awesome. Nice open space, deep bathtub, shower, a nice double sink feature.
We love the upstairs. If you turn the corner going up the stairs, you'll see the cutest little nook area. There's a large door / window looking out over the backyard, and we already know this is going to be a place of refuge for us to read a book, sit down, relax, just spend time with natural light, with an amazing view. We're really excited about that upstairs as well. We honestly love the house. We know it's a lot of space for just the 3 of us, but we're really happy about it because it will allow us to have a guest room plus all the extra rooms that we've never really had in our life. Workout room, office space, playroom. These are all, perks to the house, and we could manage without them, but we're grateful that we do.
When cleaning comes, we're gonna be wishing it was a smaller space, but overall extremely grateful for the opportunity that we have here in this home, and lots of memories to come.
There's been a few questions you guys have had about this house when we first posted that we found our house, so we just thought we'd answer a few of them here for you. So first off, how do we afford this house?
First and foremost, we're not buying it, which we know that this market is just like the one in Utah. very high. It's a seller's market, and you have to be willing to pay tens and thousands of dollars higher than the asking prices for a very nice home. With this situation, we decided that we were not going to buy, especially not knowing how the German laws would work out and American laws. We would get taxed double. Yeah. Plus, we want to enjoy our time here and not have to worry about fixing broken water pipes or windows and things like that. And there's a lot of peace of mind in that. Second, my job is fortunate enough to pay a housing stipend, and so we have an allotment we have to live within. Unfortunately, most people around the area already know what that is. You can even look it up online. It's not hidden. What happens is that everyone basically pushes that to the very last euro that they possibly can give. Doesn't leave you a whole lot of room for utilities and stuff, but we make it work. We're getting everything within that allotment, which is another huge incentive of why we came over here. If not, we wouldn't have probably chosen it as much. But
well, we probably still would have, because we love to travel.
We probably didn't.
But it was a big reason why. So that answers your question of how we afford it and if we bought it or if we're renting it. Another question is that we did have a realtor showing us around all the houses. I know a few of you guys asked, how do you guys even find places? And that's how, is we contacted a realtor agency and they showed us around all the spots. This house actually was the only house that we found out about without using a realtor. So we found out about this one just by word of mouth from the owner of this housing that we're living in our temporary housing. If you haven't seen the place that we're staying at right now, go give that video a look. It's kind of cool that it ended up that way and it wasn't even listed on the market, which we are happy about because we think it would have went so fast. Being an American civilian working here, the competition for housing is really quite intense, and we found ourselves wanting one other particular house. We're very happy we didn't end up with it, but there was other people who were interested, and it just seems like it's quite competitive. Be prepared for that if you are in the US government and going overseas, is you just have to be quick and fast and get a car as soon as you can.
At this point, if you guys haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We really appreciate the community that we're developing here, and it's amazing to hear all of your guys' suggestions, your reactions of things. Now we are moving in. The movers all have all of our stuff here. It's time to get organized. It's time to settle in and make this place our home.
There's our moving truck. It's moving day, Willa.
Oh no.
We're gonna get our stuff.
What?
Yeah, it's a truck. A big, big truck.
She's a hard to label, untamable woman. Just wait till you see her. She's a monumental, well, a symbol stunning. You better believe it, yeah. Guarantee you never seen better. There ain't no way you will forget her. You know it when you take her out tonight. She's not just one of the ladies. She ain't gonna fall for the same old lie. You're in trouble, baby. No time to take it slow. You gotta show what you got. Anything it takes to keep from moving on. You know it when you take her out tonight. She's not just one of the ladies. Yeah, she's gonna make you work for it. She's an independent, down-to-business woman. You can bet that in the moment she is gonna own it.
We having lunch break? How did you think it went, babe?
First 3/4, good. We still got the couch and our kitchen stuff to come, but so far so good.
She's gonna make you work for it. Gonna make you work for it.
Thanks again for being here, guys. Have a fantastic rest of your week, and we'll see you on the next video.
Guarantee